We're back.
Wait.
We're back. And better than ever.
And cold.
No, yeah, actually it's really cold out here.
I'm wearing
But it's like California
sweats
cold.
and long slocks and
slocks.
leggings.
So what we're gonna do today is get this back piece of flooring in.
Woo.
And maybe, if we're feeling up to it, we'll put in all of the flooring. I don't know.
Maybe.
Here we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this piece of beautiful plywood
Pretty nice.
into the RV, but we have to measure out all of our cutouts and stuff. We've already got our insulation
Is
in.
it gonna go this way?
Anyways, yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cut up this board and put it in,
And it's gonna look so dang sexy.
and then we're gonna step all over it, and it's gonna look ugly.
No. No
Well, we
one's
have
allowed to
to.
step on it.
I
No.
have to.
Oh,
That's
we
why
need
we're
to-
doing this.
We should have got those covers that they have.
On
And
your
you put,
shoes?
yeah, and you step in and it covers them, and then you walk around. Yeah, that's what we should have got.
Let's get started. You're a turd.
Oh, I forgot what we were supposed to say. That was done filing for divorce.
Do
You get
this.
this measured out.
Okay.
Ew, this is so wet and soggy. I don't like standing on
That's
it.
what happens when it rains.
Yeah, but I don't like it. Okay.
So just to describe what we're doing here.
Ow, my shin splints be acting up. Sorry.
They're gonna act up more if you don't let me finish talking.
You're gonna kick me.
Anyways, we are trying, without much success, to measure out. We have a outside storage box over here,
In this general vicinity.
and so we're measuring that out so we can cut that up. You know, that's our main shape, and then we're gonna go.
Voluptuous.
No,
on the
we have to
sides.
drill the holes for all the piping. Well, I thought I had the camera going. I don't know what happened, but we got the first piece of plywood in. Super excited about that. Now we can probably finish doing this back piece, even though I don't want to. And then hopefully from there, the rest of the flooring will be nice and easy. Making progress.